yung credibility kasi ng magiging findings. Tatanggapin ba ng publiko ang findings? Magiging credible ba yan sa mata ng publiko? Lalo na kung magiging soft in terms of recommendations. So let an independent body do it. Independent body composed or consists of men and women of proven integrity and questioned integrity na they will be free really. Yung walang sacred cows, walang iisipin ng mga ganyan na mga consideration, that they will not weaponize the investigative process for political purposes.